Here we are in South Orange. We are just picking this piece up. As you see, the leather here has a hole in it. What we come to find out was that the frame actually cracked on the client, and it tore the leather. So we're gonna, as you can see, the separation here and how low it is. So we're gonna have to replace this whole support that's inside here. There is another crack right in here, so we'll show you as it's going through and on replacing that support in the base. Here's the front view of the sofa. Here we are with the sofa. As you can see, we have a tear right in the leather here. We're going to replace this panel. As you can see, the frame is actually broken, so we have to do some repairs on the frame. We have a crack in this piece, so we're going to replace all that. We'll show you as we're getting it all apart.
This is the base with the seat cushions of the sofa in South Orange. Been deconstructed. Panel was torn due to a broken support. Matching leather, obviously not the right color. That will come. Has been stitched back in. This is ready for reassembly. We have also fixed the support. There's a brand new support panel underneath, braced and bracketed, so hopefully this will not occur again, although we do not recommend jumping on it. But this is very close to being completed. Assembly will be completed, followed very quickly by the recoloring and color matching of this leather panel. This is the base of the sofa with the new panel inserted for South Orange. It's now together and the upholstery is back on. It's all completely reupholstered. So now we will work on the color.